Alright, well, I took this mine apart. It was broken. So I'm going to replace it. I went to the junkyard and got this. This came out like this. So I needed the glass, the reflector. So I don't need the housing. So what I did is grab a little screwdriver, a little flat, pop the glass, took it apart. I'm going to clean this off. And this is real easy to pop it out. All you got to do is twist this nut. You pop it out, all the way out. And this thing is coming up. You have two clips. Since this one is broken, as you can see, you got 1 and 2. All you gotta do is push a little bit and it should pop out. Like this. So I don't need this. What I need is this on mine. So mine is on one piece. So take this one out the same way like the way you did that one. As you can see, the gap is coming out. The little reflector is coming out because you're twisting this out. Once that's done all the way out, and that's it. Same way you took it out, same way you put it back. Just make sure this little clips right here, it lines up with that. See it? And that's all it takes.